lay on your bed, sitting, and start remembering all the crazy and embarrassing stuff that you have done in your life? Do you think about the better comebacks that you could have used in an argument 4 years back? Or maybe the dumbest thing you did in front of your crush? I'm sure you do. And then you start to overthink, and then you feel like the whole universe is against you. It happens, and I know how it feels. I used to cry every night. But then I realized being sad is so boring. It's such a waste of time. You're in pain now, but always remember, this too shall pass. Instead of being sad, emphasize and live your life. Love yourself, because at the end of the day, it's only you who's going to love you the most. Do small self-care sessions. Self-care sessions are so amazing that they automatically make you feel better. Since we all are stuck at home, invest this time on yourself to become the best version of yourself. Watch your favorite movies. Do something that you enjoy the most, like painting, writing, reading books, talking to your parents, exercising, or even listening to music. It's been 2 years now. I used to be so insecure about so many things. But now, I'm not. Not completely, but partially, yes. Or maybe more than that. Think to yourself, if you were someone else, would you date yourself? If yes, then man, I'm so proud of you. But if not, then dude, you need to love yourself. You can't expect love from others if you don't love yourself, right? So love yourself. Think you're in a movie. It's your story. Romanticize your life. Take care of yourself. Fall in love. Take chances. Cut those bangs if you want. Believe in yourself. Work hard, and you will see gradually everything will start making sense. And everything will look beautiful.